Hey guys, welcome to day 5 of my 10 days of fall. Today's tutorial is on my vintage autumn tumbler. And the saying on here is not fall related, but you could definitely do something that's more fall related. But come on, these colors just scream fall. This is a glitter from my new desert collection. And that paired with this kind of burgundy spray paint is like, it's just gorgeous. I am obsessed with this cup. And I am actually giving this cup away to one of you guys. So in order to enter, all you're gonna do is subscribe to my channel, ring the little notification bell, leave a comment on this video, and join my Facebook group. It's just Glazed Epoxy. I will have all the information down below for you guys. But yeah, I'm excited to give this away to one of you guys, but like, look how pretty. I just could stare at this forever. It's so pretty, it's gorgeous. Yes. So this is the vintage autumn cup. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this here tumbler, then let's get into the video. So I started out with a just stainless plain tumbler. I already prepped it, got it ready to paint. This is just the Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint. So just painting just one coat of that. Once I was dry, I took some of my epoxy. This is the Artistry Tumbler and Art epoxy. So just spreading that really, really thin. You really want to get a good coverage on your cup. Just really nice and thin. Once you have a nice thin layer, I'm sprinkling on a glitter from my new collection. This is Dusk. So you're just going to sprinkle on the entire cup and just get a full coverage glitter. Then we're gonna let that dry. And next coat of epoxy. Then once that was dry, we're gonna spray another layer of the metallic gold spray paint. And then again, let that dry. Then once that was dry, we're going in with Rust-Oleum Aubergine. This gorgeous color, so pretty. This is such a pretty color. It's one of my favorites from Rust-Oleum. So then once that paint was dry, we're taking some acetone and we're going to give this a distressed look. And at first I tried with this kind of firm bristle brush to try to get a different texture. Didn't really do what I wanted and it was making a mess, so I switched back to just the regular paper towels. But you just dip it in acetone and just start rubbing away the paint wherever you would like on your cup. Just kind of keep going till you like how it looks. And I kind of just wanted it to look a little more distressed, not just like spots peeking through, but more just kind of the whole outside of the cup looks distressed. And I kind of went around the top rim and the bottom edge to kind of have the glitter show through there as well. But doing the gold spray paint underneath, you see that gold peeking through, not just the glitter. So it's just a really cool technique to do different colors of spray paint when you're doing this distressing with acetone. So you can see there's really nowhere on the cup where it's just like nice flat paint. It's kind of all that nice distressing, and part of it even got kind of crackly, which I kind of love. So then we're going in with another layer of epoxy. Then after that was dry, I took this little decal that I made. It says old ways won't open new doors. So I just thought it was a cute little saying. I just cut it out in black, and then I did an offset in this gold. I ended up just like placing this on by hand because I can't find a transfer tape that I like. And I have since then found Scotch tape that actually works, but I didn't know about Scotch tape yet in this video, so it didn't actually take that long since it was so little, but I definitely need to figure this out and get better at doing layered decals and stuff. Don't wanna fight with you. And one more layer of epoxy to finish this cup. and it was done. I think it turned out really pretty. I just love this orangey glitter dusk and this color aubergine. Just such a nice combination. So don't forget to check out the giveaway on how to win this. I'll have all the details down below for you guys. That is it for this video. Don't forget to come back for my next day of fall cups tomorrow. See you in the next one. Bye.